house music? What is house music? Those people in the studio want to give me 5 minutes to explain house music. 5 minutes. It even took God 7 days to make the heaven and earth. You don't explain house music. You won't explain house music. You can't explain house music. You live house music. You sweat house music.
Muted. Hey Chad, quickly let me know there on your side. Is everything good? Sound good? Can you guys see my screen? Sorry about that. Just had to run home quickly. It was a bit longer than I expected. Everything good your side, guys? Everything good? Oh well, okay, awesome. Military was here. Curtis, awesome man. Thanks for coming. Itty, I don't know. Kaji, yeah, bro, your name is hectic. Nicodemus, I'll just call you that. Robert, Motivab, Fabio, Timbaletu. Who else do we have here? Any other names? All good, awesome. How are you guys doing? How was your date? You guys take anything? You guys having a good day? There we go. That was up. See. Oh wait. But yeah, don't be shy. I would love the content. I would love the shots with those 3 cameras. I have a special guest here with me today, Tammy. Some of you guys know him or might know of him. I've mentioned him quite a few times. So yeah, he's with me today, and we're gonna be trading together. So hopefully we can get something here on step. So just to quickly look at step on the 15-minute, and we get into it. So initially we can see price has now started flipping bullish, so we can see this is the last low which price is left over here at this point, and we can use this high over here as reference. So we'll see basically over here we have that full closure, and price leaving us with this demand zone all the way down here, which is still a point which I want to see price come to eventually long term. But if price has already picked up if the RIV has what they need, there's no need for them to come all the way back down here. So with that said, demand zone down here, we can see further break of structure which was created over here, led by this demand over here. There we can see perfect tap into that level, and once again further break of structure, leaving us with even more demand over here at this point. So as you guys know, I purely trade zone to zone, and that's how I keep my trading simple without doing anything that might affect me negatively. So we also have this demand zone down here. My only concern now basically is if we look at all of this down here, we could see that as liquidity. But then if we go a bit further into this, we would see that, quickly mark at 10 o'clock, 10 to 6. Looks so wrong. But initially there you can see Asian high untested, so that's definitely something for us on the table that I'm going to see price basically trade back into. So looking at the internal structure, further break over here, price leaving us with this demand zone over here. Also this wick, so you could see that as liquidity, and you can see then price basically sweeping below that level and going back up into that zone. So from there, so load a bit, you can see basically over here internally we had a lower low made, and then here we had a change of character. So initially we could see this as our demand zone basically, but I obviously refined that from the 1 minute based on an internal fair value gap. So just to give you guys an idea, that change of character, and you basically have this zone here as our demand, and I want to see this basically hold as my potential demand zone. So I just want to see step basically trade into this level down here before we can look to basically see price push further towards the upside. And now it all depends on how price is going to move. So initially we can see higher highs being made, so I would want to see price actually trade back into this level, tap it. I'm not going to enter yet. I want to see a change of character take place once again, and then enter from that new fair value gap basically. But I first want to see this zone actually hold. Okay, then moving forward, let's quickly recap what happened yesterday on our trades on Boom. Okay, let me just quickly get back to the chat here. Caleb, so today we'll be looking at Step, Crash, and Boom, and then we'll see what else could be on the table for us potentially. So remember yesterday we basically had this zone marked out over here on Boom, and I told you guys I don't want to I can't save my analysis. I'm sure I have mentioned this to you guys. So unfortunately we can't save our analysis on this, but initially we had the supply zone marked out and we had a fair value gap slightly above this level. Doing something wrong. There's something I did yesterday, but initially the zone was slightly above this level, something like that, and I told you guys I want to see one more pump and then I would look for a sell, and unfortunately we missed that, and as you can see price literally just dropped all the way down. So I'm just gonna do a quick little update on this. So initially I want to see price spike all the way back up into this supply zone over here before we can basically look for further shorts towards the downside, and I want to see price basically tap into this fair value gap over here as well. And then let's move on to our other Boom pair, the one we actually took. Yeah, you guys remember yesterday in the group I actually told you guys I'm taking off 60% of my position, and that is because price ran and I kind of saw that reversal coming, and then literally price, so we entered over here yesterday, that high, and then price literally came slightly back above that high, and price basically now dropping towards the downside. So initially, with that said, I would want to see price potentially trade back up towards this level, and then from there basically see price tap into this fair value gap to potentially look for a sell towards the downside on Boom. So I'm going to double check something here. So it is within the Asian range, but keeping it simple, we'll just basically react from that level. Step still holding, waiting on Crash and Boom. Let's see, waiting on Boom. Let's see what Crash is doing. Crash, I'm actually mad at myself because the trades I was in, I basically hit these break evens, and okay, so price actually back. Shit, guys. Oh no, man. We missed this. We missed this one, guys. We marked it out yesterday as well. Told you guys want to see that low being taken out. But let's hope that price pulls back a bit into either this fair value gap or this demand zone over here. And I mean, we're still early, so we could still see that fake move coming in beginning of New York. So we could potentially see that level get mitigated over there so that it won't stand in our way. Back into this level, and then obviously rise towards the upside. So we'll just keep an eye here on Crash 1000 and see what we can get, and then Crash 500. Yeah, guys, please smash the like button, please share it with your fellow traders. We'll be running the stream potentially for 4 hours. We might stream up until 6 p.m. tonight, so I'm looking forward to it. Welcome, Brett. Glad to see you here. And yeah, is there anything specific you guys look at when it comes to these synthetics? Is there anything specific you guys look to basically trade? Oh yeah, guys, we literally, I think we like 8 people away from 700 subscribers. So please share the link, and then let's hit 700 subscribers today on the stream. It will be a great way for me to end off the week, and yeah, man, it will literally be something awesome. Trading news. What news is coming out, Fabs? Bro, I haven't looked at currencies all week. The only time I looked at currencies was the last time I was on stream with Keegs. But I haven't looked at any news events. Yani Robert, road to 1K. I'm really putting my faith into you guys here, so you guys can help me reach that 1K mark. So looking at Crash over here as well, I would want to see price pull back Let's just go to the 1 hour to see a much more clear pattern. So we can see over here that supply basically taking control. Initially, if we look at it from a standpoint of supply and demand from premium and discount, I can only start looking for buys once we get below this level down here. So I'll potentially say maybe this looks like an interesting point over here. So even if price does spike slightly below it, still something I would consider to potentially take. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what we can get. So we have crash marked out, looking for buys on both crash and looking for sells on boom, and then awaiting potential longs here on STIP as well. Let's see what V75 is doing. And there, you guys love this one as well. Oh, looks like price is finally making some higher highs there. That is one of the only reasons why I don't like trading these pairs. Is like, there's so many. It looks like there's so many candles, but it moves so many pips that it just looks off. Okay, so I would say I'm there. Only concern is here no bottom wick. However, slightly above it we do have the 1500 level, so that could be something interesting. I don't know about this one, guys, because looking at what price is doing, there's no fair value gap for me to refer to. I'm not going to use this fair value gap over here. A quick one. Yesterday someone asked about STIP. Just also want to cover that as well. So more or less, we had a supply zone marked out. Let me just do this quickly, because this is where we had price more or less tap into that level. Okay, I'm not gonna go back so far now, but initially, you guys remember yesterday also on stream, told you guys that if you can have some sort of reaction on price on STIP, we basically had change of character coming through over here this level, and then we had the supply zone of, I still sent it to someone last night, and I told them there's that tap in, and there you had the move to a downside, and obviously price came back towards the entry point. This is why I say I will flip my bias bullish on this. So let's wait and see what we can get. So the chat saying oh, waiting for the news to kick in. You're in on gold. I'm good. WST in O. I don't know how you're gonna. I don't know what your name stands for, but I'm good. CPI kicking in. Oh, it's CPI. Okay, okay. There it drops. Shannon in the house. What's up, my man? I'm good. I'm good. Hope you're doing good. So yeah, guys, let's get the stream up. We already had 43 views. Let's see if we can let's see if we can beat yesterday's stream. Yesterday we almost hit 300 views, so let's see if we can hit 300 views today on this video. And our likes yesterday was 70, so let's see if we can break those records. The likes, the views, and as well use that milestone for the subscribers. While we at it, I think I didn't let the people know on Discord that I'm actually live, so let me actually do that while we are waiting. Quickly confirm with me, guys. There's no music playing. Is there music playing? I'm still trying to figure out a more convenient way for us to actually do this. Okay. You can hear some music. Let me see if if I can also hear the music, because that's why yesterday I was a bit still figuring this out. Okay, Robert says 500 views, 100 likes you rate. Let's manifest that. So I can't hear anything, but as long as you guys have some vibes, just let me know if the music does stop on your side, because I know that playlist is only 43 minutes. And if we're going to be going for 4 hours, then yeah. But really, guys, thankful for yesterday. Really, my channel did the best it's ever done in one day based on that performance. So really grateful to you guys. Oh, you want something to drink, Tammy? Want some Coke? Okay, there's some Coke in a sec. Do you want the drinkable one or the powder one? For the grown-ups. Michelle. That comes yet. Just want to take this aside. Okay, so steps almost here, guys. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Komani in the building, Stainsburg. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing good, man. Okay, guys, get ready. We're not gonna execute just yet. We're gonna wait in the 1 minute for change of character. I think some extra confirmation would be ideal right now, especially the fact that we're almost in New York session. So we can see lower lows being made. Seems like we might get a change of character over here. So let's patiently wait and see. No full closure as yet. So initially, that could be that retest, so you could potentially see this as a supply zone. So let's wait and see. So it has been mitigated from my perspective. We have vibes. Yeah. I'll just go that way. Patient. There's a quote that says, "The art of trading is basically the impatient." The patient taking money from the impatient. Yeah, don't you think I'll go to the shop now, eh? Because I don't have a KPT card, so I have to move the money to my standard bank account. Now because I paid rent and stuff last night, so I moved to do an immediate payment. Yeah, I get the money is in. What a mission that was. Okay, nice reaction, guys. That zone was definitely respected. So now I just want to see price break above that level and then pull back into a fair value gap, especially if you can close back above this level over here, because it's technically an institutional level. So we can break above that, we'll be good. V75 is ugly. Okay, I see we have the first spammer here in the chat, so I think it's time for us to basically select some mods here. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna get I need some of you guys' URLs. Okay, so first things first, let's start from the top. Curtis, my man, you have definitely let's quickly see if this is gonna work. Curtis, quickly type something. I want to see quickly if if you received your range. And then also Etty, I'm also making you a range. Okay, just let me know. Okay, I'm just quickly gonna paste your thingy and save it. Okay, so Curtis Rousseau seems like it's saved. Etty, you should also now have received your range. Oh, that man is a range. Ha! Kick Intel Finance Company there. I don't know. I gaan nou in synthetics en klim. Hey? Oh. Mr. Makana, how's it, Jeff? All good, man. Okay, so we have 2 ranges now. Okay, so Fabio, also you deserve a range. Okay, where else should we? I think where else can we make a range? Sorry, I'm not cherry picking. It's just some of you guys obviously know very well. I don't know as well. Make you a range. It's a pleasure, Curtis, man. I need you guys to help me keep some law and order. Yeah. You know, guys, ek het so sagte hart, man. Like, now I feel bad for only making a few people ranges. I might as well make all of your ranges. But okay, we'll go through it. Okay, so we can see over here price broke through that level. This is the exact example why I didn't want to get in there just yet, but looks like we're heading back up towards that level. So once again, also your break of structure, we can see the same thing basically over here. Supply that might potentially fail, but we're gonna patiently wait here, guys. And remember, we're still early on the session, so there's no need for us to basically rush anything. Actually, yeah, it's a good thing I checked my charts now, because I had a pending order on step. Remember when before we spoke, I told you I want to buy it from here. I had a pending order there and it was activated. I just closed it like slightly above profit, but yeah, it's almost a close one. Right? Let me see quickly. So the stop was 30 pips. Not really. No, I'm lying. Yeah, almost 20 pips on that one. So I was almost stopped out. So taking chances. With great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, nee, bro. Yeah, nee. Okay, Robert. Also, I think you deserve it. You've actually been a supporter of me for a long time as well. Can't wait till we can get some, until we hit 1,000 subs, so we can also get some donos in this chat going, so we can buy some more equipment, some better equipment. There are a few things I did, so it's not like the best quality, but I saw something cool on Take a Lot, which is basically like a mic and a sound card for applause, laughter, you know, like just to make it fun. But it's not that expensive. It's like $600. But yeah, currently with my circumstances and the baby on the way, that's a lot of nappies I can buy. Stainsburg, I think you as well, my brother. I'm also gonna make you a range. And I think we should be good for there now. And then as time goes on, I will see who else will become ranges basically. I also don't want it to seem like this thing, oh, it's so easy to become a range. Just support Jeff and give him a like. And oh guys, I see we at 699 subs. We almost at 700 subscribers. So if you guys can just share and get one more. Yeah, no, it will come with time. It will come with time. Looking at my side also, there's nothing yet. So I'm gonna depend on you guys here to help me grow this so that we can actually get it going. Yeah, for them. No, I mean, yeah, yesterday. So yesterday, so I don't want to say it out loud, man. The thing is, I don't want to say it out loud, ne? I don't want people to have this idea that this is happening to me, because then they're gonna manifest that shit. I don't want the less people know, like the better, you know. Then I can work on it and actually fix it myself. But so yesterday.
You can text them. If you don't feel comfortable with other people doing it.
Now, so yesterday I'm like, I'm not gonna let it get me down, man. I'm gonna get shit started. I go on Canva, I make the thumbnail, I make the story posting, I get the assets, the bull and the bear, and I'm like, okay, it doesn't look bad, it's a start. And I'm like, I'm not gonna let it get me down. I'm gonna stream today. It was not yesterday, bro. We load Streamlabs. There's like 4 echoes, and I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. We go live, ne? Mo phones me, Miles phones me. Miles is the other guy also streams. Miles is like, bro, it's your first day, I'm supporting you. Like, shit, like, it's looking bad right now at the moment. 20 minutes we sat here trying to figure it out, and the chat was literally here, and they waited, and we figured it out. So now at least my screen's on, that's fixed. There's some music playing for them. As long as that's that for now, I feel like we're good. Raphael, you definitely need to get a range. You definitely are supposed to be a moderator. I wish there was something more than a range here for you, like a hammer or something, because honestly, you're our biggest supporter, man. And I would do anything for you. Oh, we've done it, guys. We've done it. 700 subscribers. I actually wanted to go to the shop earlier and buy a blue hat that I can put on. We made it, but then unfortunately time wasn't on my side. So yeah, I'll maybe get a hat for tomorrow to celebrate the 700 subs. But we did it, guys. We did it. Thank you so much, man. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, yo, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So 300 more to go. So we basically bumped up from yesterday. We basically gained almost 50 subs. So boom. Angel investor. Yeah, there we go, Raphael. There we go. Also Ed, you must be a range. Okay, I think we have enough ranges now. For now, just Slushy still needs his range and Vince. Okay. Nah, look here. I'm so stoked right now, guys. Yo, I can't believe it. 700 subs, man. 700 subs. One time for the one time, Warren. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Hey, I'm forgetting we're trading, yo. So price broke that to that level. So very nice. I like what I see there. I like what I see. Let's get our special settings on here real quick. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Just need to add. All you need is an OTE, guys. All you need is an OTE. Let's see if Step gets into this level. So I think we can go for 20, not even 25, it's really big. I think 25 is alright. And nothing too hectic. We'll just go for target this double top here. Still a 1, 2, 3. It's good enough for me. Let's wait and see. Yeah, Tembalatu spamming there with the emojis. Thank you, man. Beautiful. Curtis, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Slushy, I was just waiting for you so I can upgrade you there. Let's get you a range, my friend. Let's get you a range. Oh, Ed, you have the power. You have the power, my man. Doing good, Slush. Hope you're doing good. I think, Slush, you sent me a voice note that I haven't listened. Sorry, man. I will get back to you. You know, I take long to reply sometimes, but I will get back to you. Just had to sort out a few things on my end. Let's see what other pairs are doing. So nothing yet on V75. Market's still very choppy over here, so I'm not even gonna continue looking at that. Crash, we still have that potential for price to trade down. Also Asian low is untested, Asian high is also untested, so technically we are still in the Asian range here on Crash 500. Still within the Asian range, so there's nothing I can do. I need to see a break above or below this level before I do anything. Over here we are below the Asian range, so we are looking for buys. We did miss this level down here. Yesterday on stream we called it. We said that we want to see price take out this little double bottom, and this is the thing, guys. You guys saw me call it yesterday, so like I've said, the more you trade these things, the more like you will get used to how they move and their characteristics. Yeah, no, I understand Slashy. No, but I figured right, man. Let's start at 2. Let me get that extra hour in for you guys, even if we just chill, talk a bit, answer some questions and so forth. I mean, I love being here with you guys, you know. So yeah. I don't know, is TradingView down or just your Wi-Fi? Let me see on my side quickly. I haven't been on this TradingView since, yeah, since I think yesterday we made a little turn here. Let's actually look at what happened yesterday. We called some moves here on EU and thingy. So this we didn't take because it's in Asia. Makes a lot of sense why price didn't work out. US30 over here. What did we mark out yesterday? Oh, I said we wanted to see sells at this level. So we did see price forming sells, but basically double top, double bottom. The question is now will we get trapped? So initially buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Price breaks above, look for sells. Price breaks below, look for buy. So very, very simple what you want to see on the indices. But we can maybe look at it later on during the session as we get into New York session for the Comics Open. Then yeah. So I like what I see here so far. Also, now that we are waiting, man, we're just missing these moves. Actually, no, we haven't missed anything. I would actually still want to see boom over here come to these highs before selling. So we'll see what we can get. Hey Kaylin, I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you doing? How are you doing? All good slash, all good slash. But yeah, guys, damn, still can't believe it, man. Still can't believe it. 700 subs. Wow. Do let me know if the music does stop, hey guys. I should have held that pending order.
Not listening to the music.
Yo. Hey?
If you were in the step.
Yeah, yo. And I had some little lots on there. But it's okay. It's okay. So guys, if this thing does go all the way to these highs and takes it out, it will kind of invalidate its position for me, because then, yeah, there's the move. We don't want to see price actually do that beforehand. Ah, guys, get ready here. Get ready here. Quickly measure the distance. So usually what I do is I go for like a 20 pip stop on crash and boom. So as you can see over here is 20 pips, and yeah, I actually might take a small position here on crash right now, and then I will basically go in with half the lot so that I can add another lot basically to it. So 20 pip stop. Right? All good, all good. So I'm taking a small entry here, guys, purely based off this zone over here. But be mindful that price could still basically trade down a bit more. Then literally I will have my second position waiting down here. But now it obviously depends also how far this thing will spike down. If it spikes, like for instance still here in the zone, even better for this position over here. Yeah, Kaylin, man. Yeah, I want to tell you guys what's wrong, but there's also a side of me that I don't wanna. I don't wanna talk about it. Like. Obviously, people have questions about it. I don't want to talk about it, and I'm saying this to everyone. Like, and the reason for it is because I don't want. Like, the thing is, whatever we think in our minds, we make it real. There's a saying that goes, "Wherever two or more come together in my name, daar's ek." Right? This means that if we all agree on the same thing, that we can actually manifest that. So I don't want to put what I'm experiencing in your minds, and then it manifests in my life, and it's like, oh shit, maybe I should just keep quiet about it. I want to beat this shit, and yeah, I've just been more cautious with my well-being the past 3 days basically. And the weird thing is, man, it's like literally that period when I wake up in the morning, that first 2-3 hours, it's the most horrible shit ever. And then like times like this come like after 12, and it's like I feel fine, nothing is wrong, you know. So yeah, got me thinking that, bro, sitting there, sticker on the screen at least. Yeah, slash, you see, man, guys, there's still a lot of things that has to be done in this room. So the first upgrade literally was the bulb. That's my first upgrade in the room, was the bulb. And then obviously put the ring light in here to add some vibes, and put the disc in here, and I work from the laptop. So yeah, I think Brett said it yesterday. So I don't have wheels. You guys will hear if I I have to move this couch, and I don't have another chair because remember, it's just me and Michaela, you know. So we've never actually bought anything else. And Tammy's sitting on a small little beach chair over here. And also these beach chairs we bought because while we're waiting for the couches, we were like, shit, we need something to sit on. And then like we had a choice, either buy like these normal plastic chairs. Like let me show you guys quickly. Like you guys know, like I think for the go to my YouTube channel and you'll see that it's live, or on my WhatsApp status. So literally these chairs, guys, we were supposed to buy one of. We had a choice: buy 2 of this while we wait for our couches. But I was like, nah. Let me see. Let me see. If I can show you guys what I got. So it doesn't seem like they have them anymore. But it's like these weird little chairs, man. But they're so cute. They're so cute, man. That's why I got them. So I don't know. Tammy might be camera shy.
I'm a bit camera shy.
He says he is a bit camera shy. But basically, Tammy is the guy who I first started trading with. Now, okay, I'm gonna throw him a bit under the bus here now, ne? So you guys know Sadile Shezi, right? He came to PE for a seminar. Now that was when we were still new in trading. Our first few, that was probably not even 6 months into trading, ne?
We didn't know about bulls, bears. We didn't even know.
True.
Terminology.
We learned about MACD there. Okay, yeah. Like here's the thing. We were so uninformed about trading that when we first basically went to this guy's thing, that's the first time we heard about the MACD basically. And we're sitting there basically, and then okay, so the first time before this happened, right? I asked Tammy and Yanga, let's go to this guy's thing. And the day comes and the Owens didn't show up. I was mad at Tammy. I'm like, you know how much this thing means to me. You show me that you're not gonna go. And then I prayed, and then Sandile came back to PE. And it's like, Tammy, this time we're not gonna miss out. And he's like, okay, now we're gonna do this. The men were ready. Me, Tammy, and Yanga, we went to this thing. So Yanga, he doesn't trade. Just wasn't for him. We've tried to get him into it. Just wasn't for him. Then basically, Sandile's like, his scores is 10,000 rand. So he will basically be guys, I just want to see something here real quick. Okay, you guys can't see that. Okay, perfect. And then Sadil is like basically, okay, look here. His course is 20,000 rand, and then he's gonna give us 50% discount, and then we basically get we basically get 50% off. Then it's like, if you don't have the money, what you can do is you can basically go pay whatever amount you have there to back to put it down as a deposit on your sign up. And look here, guys, I was so broke back then, that I was like, sure, I don't even have money to basically put down. And Tammy gave me a 2 rand coin, and that was our commitment that we basically had to trading. Yeah, Tammy had a 4 rand on him, two 2 rand coins, and he took a 2 rand, I took a 2 rand, and that was my commitment to trading. I can literally go. I must go look for it now. I must literally go look for it because we moved. But I can show you guys how we paid the death certificate. Yeah, a 2 rand for 10,000 rand course. But yeah, that was our commitment to this. And then basically me and Tammy, same thing. Like, what I didn't know in the beginning, he taught me. What he didn't know, I taught him. It was really cool to have someone to brainstorm with. I feel like if Tammy wasn't there in the beginning, it would have taken me a lot more longer to basically learn. And then yeah, over time, like, Tammy would know, like, everything we stumbled upon strategy wise, we tested, and then the only thing that worked was market maker method. The only thing that was the market maker method, and that changed. That was like, oh, now it makes so much sense why we lost money trading these other strategies, because like they made us liquidity. And then yeah, from there on, like, it was just take off for us, literally. Lyndon Knight, welcome my friend, welcome my brother. Hope you're doing good, and thank you bro, appreciate it. I would still love us to maybe even reach 800 subs today, if that is possible. You guys just have to spam spam those groups with the link, and then yeah. ICT Spartan, you were late. It's all good, man. It's all good. As long as you guys attend, I'm happy. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. If you guys haven't done so as yet, please like and subscribe. Let's see. Oh, the only thing is now I have exposure here on crash now. I don't wanna. I'm not gonna force it here on step. I'll set it out. So guys, we'll just basically see how it plays out. We're just gonna see how it plays out, okay? But yeah, guys, it still feels so unreal, man. Everything happening. Me and the wife, we finally have our own place. I finally have a proper PC. The live streams, baby on the way. The new course has been released. There's a car coming soon. Loading. Gonna start a new gonna start a 50k prop firm challenge. What else? There's a lot happening, guys. There's a lot happening. I'm just so grateful to God, man, for everything. It's very scary at times, but I love it. I love it. I'm happy. Literally, once we have a closure above this level, I'll start going break even and crash. Yeah. So I think within, let me quickly see the size of this. That's 25 minutes. Yeah, so about 25 more minutes to go, guys, and then we can go break even. So this is, that's also the cool thing about trading crash and boom, because like you can have this anticipation of what's gonna happen. Yeah, it can spike randomly. I don't know how far it can spike, but I can more or less anticipate when I can go break even, after how long and how often I must. Yeah, I can charge it. I should have 2 charges here. See, this is long enough. I can probably just. Oh shit. Yeah, this wiring needs to be sorted out. It's really dangerous. Okay, you need a plug, 2-pin plug.
Yeah, of course you get it for this thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that. You go, Tammy. There's a bit of charger there as well.
Well, thank you.
Yo, my Sean bought these other chargers, ne? Bro, that stuff is insane. It's like 2 meters long, and it's fast charging. So insane. He paid R100 for it here in Utrecht. Okay.
Oh my word, sorry.
You good?
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Hey guys.
I rate 750 subscribes, guys. Tap it now to lock it in. Robert, let's manifest it. Let's manifest it. Yeah, thank you, Eddie. Etienne, I really appreciate it. Let's get those likes up, guys. Get the subs up. I'd really appreciate it. It will mean the world to me. Over time, there's gonna be some changes coming to the stream. Obviously, like there will be a win rate on here, the amount of trades we've taken, and so forth and so forth. And Iti, you're welcome, man. I have to make you a spanner. I don't know. You're trading your charts. Doesn't want to load. Have you tried using a different device? If you use a different device, also here's the thing: are you on a PC? If you're on a PC, are you using the website or the app? Because I remember also a few weeks ago on stream, I also couldn't use my trading view. You guys remember that? And I don't know, some people said I wasn't the only one, but I don't know. Either network or your device. Oh, Robert, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. It's a quote by Napoleon Hill, basically. It's a quote by Napoleon Hill. Okay, I don't know. So if you're on your PC, try downloading the app and see what happens. Or even if you're on your phone, let's see what happens when you try using the app. Oh no. No, what did I just do now? Oh, there we go. Okay. Once we have a closure in the 5 minute above this level, we will basically alter my stop. halfway through to basically just minimize that risk. Chriso, hello Jeff, hello my man, hope you're doing good, hope you're doing good. Hey Jeff, how long did it take before you started seeing those consistent profits? And what was my aha moment during my trading journey? So I would say for consistent profit, started 2017, started really becoming profitable in 2020, in COVID, trading synthetic indices. So I would say like my jump was stopping to compare myself to other people. Just because you see this person trading US30 doesn't mean I should trade US30. The first time I traded Nasdaq, actually, I blew my account because I had a $20 account, 20 pip stop loss, not knowing how volatile Nasdaq is. So my whole account was a stop loss, and then I was like, this, I don't get it. And then basically, my aha moment for myself was when I actually understood why I lose money and why people lose money. And the simple reason for that is, many of us do this. We search how to trade forex, then we're like, okay, now how do I take it from here? Then we search then we search patterns to trade. Then these patterns, they basically show you where to enter, where to put your stop loss, your take profit, and so forth. Let me see if I can find a good example over here. So for instance, I'm looking for a good example like this, for instance, where they would tell you triple top, you must sell below, take profit, stop above. Now ask yourself this question: if all of this worked, why is no one making money trading it? And then basically from there, I started using it as liquidity. So a good example of that is, let's quickly look at this. Let's go on let me make a good example. Okay, just keep an eye here on boom. I don't want to cherry pick something, but I just want to give you a simple example. Let's look at, oh shit. We look for, oh, here's a good example of study material. So something like this, for instance, consolidation, break above, buy, right? I'm not saying these things don't work, but look at how often they do work. Very rare that they actually do work. So a good example here is, let's for instance take this double bottom. But I want to show you exactly how I use it, man. I don't want to just cherry pick something. Let me see what I can. Okay, yeah, a good example. See, here's my supply zone. What do you see over here? You have a double top. What do they teach you in a double top? They will either teach you that on the confirmation that you should sell, put your stop above, or they will teach you that, okay, when price breaks below these levels over here, you must enter below this level with your stop above. But the idea is, if I know that where the stop losses basically go, here's a good example once again. There's triple top, and I think actually this is a trade that I actually took. I think it was based off this wick over here, if I'm not mistaken. So the first idea was basically this data over here, which was trend line, where initially people who basically yelled this, they got stopped out. You can take it further by either seeing this point over here as a resistance point, where people will basically sell. You can see it as a resistance point over here. People will basically sell on that closure, and that's how they get stopped out. But now with that said, we can see that here's now a double top basically formed over here, right? And here we can see price took out that level, basically stopping them out. Now what happens? Price sets the same thing over here at these highs. So what's going to happen now? People are selling. Yes, they are in profit, but you guys know human psychology. What's the chances of them actually closing that trade? You know, so literally it just became a thing of my aha moment was just like understanding the Asian highs and lows and using it as liquidity basically. So guys, closure, manage risk. Chriso, you started your live stream along with Chris and Keegs. Yeah, man. Was time for me to do my own thing. Was time for me to do my own thing, Chriso. ICT Spartan, I remember those times. Have I stopped using sacred geometry? I love those charts. The only problem I've had with the sacred geometry basically was the fact that, like, how can I put it? With the sacred geometry, the indicator, there was no indicator that could actually work with it, and the reason for that is because when it comes to Methodon's cube, and some of you guys might know about this, that guy Terence Howard, who basically said he discovered a new way for math. He basically opened it up, and he sounds like a crazy guy, but if you understand sacred geometry, for instance, then you understand what he's portraying across. That thing I put on my chart. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. For those of you guys who don't know. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is the open secret. So basically this is how the chart looks. You basically have Methodon's cube on there. I entered this buy over here at this level, and price ran all the this was one of my biggest trades on Nasdaq. One of my biggest trades on Nasdaq. But obviously it was a small contract size, not a lot of money that I made. Let's take it further. I want to show you guys some more examples. So here you can see also this is where I entered, and okay, but it's not the best example, is a bit. So yes, so yeah, you guys can see basically from here. Check this out. I basically sent out the analysis. 1825 on gold, and then gold basically tapped that level and it ran. Okay, that's US30. Here you can see another example. Okay, that's that US30 position I showed you now in profit. Also, you'll see how long I've been trading. Look at the day, 25 December on a Christmas day, guys. On a Christmas day, huh? We eating. So there was the setup sent on boom, and that was the analysis. And there you can see the market ran, and obviously we ate. And yeah, but the thing is, because it's such an advanced pattern, man, it's not easy to basically code something like that. I tried having someone code it, but it was a nightmare. Can you maybe make it one of those things? I would appreciate it. Look here, yesterday I started a stream, ne? Not even an hour into the stream. Not even an hour into the stream yesterday. Look at it. So we started 3 o'clock yesterday. Look at the time yesterday. That's a broker. They're begging us to come work with him. But unfortunately, we've learned a lot now. So yeah, I don't think I would work with anyone else basically. I've learned a lot from Chris and Keegan, so I would want to spend as much time around them moving forward, because also it's a nice team, it's a nice environment to be around, and there's nothing I can take away from Chris and Keegan. They both trade very good, and yeah, Chris is one of the reasons why I got funded, because he literally sat me down. Chris took me like a child. He's like, Jevon, come sit here next to me. He's like, why is it that you can't pass a funded challenge? What is the problem? Then he's like, show me your personal account. And we go through my personal account and we compare it to the funded challenge, and it's like, but what am I doing wrong? And Chris literally took a page and a pen and he's like, okay, is it the trades? No, it's not the trades, that's wrong. Is it, what was the other thing? Is it the levels you enter from? No, it's the level. Is it the risk management? On my personal challenge, obviously I flipped the account, so the risk management is different. But yes, but then also the psychology, and then like that, for instance, him sitting me down like that was like, damn, seeing this on paper, it's like I'm actually such an idiot, you know. So like things like that I can't take away from them, and yeah, that's why I always tell people that they must never think that anything happened at the office, that anything bad happened, any bad blood and stuff like that. It's just literally we're just doing what's best for ourselves, and we're still there to support one another. I think by being able to do that, that is the biggest sort of love and support one can basically receive. Let me quickly see something over here. I don't know if you guys can actually see me on. I don't know. As long as you guys can see my screen. Into CEO, yes, I will still be going to the Vault office. I can literally show you guys chats like from me and Chris, where Chris literally said to me, okay, I don't want to show you guys that, but I hope you guys can see what is said over there more or less. Not sure if you guys can see that, but literally he just said to me that it's okay, Jeff, finish up, do what I have to do, and then I'll go back to the office next week, basically, you know. So nothing is changing. I'll still be going to the office. It's just basically I'll be streaming from the office and from home, and I just have 2 offices I'm working from now, basically. Justin, hello man, glad to be here, glad to see you here. Please like, please subscribe, please share it with your fellow traders, side chicks, family, friends, exes, and let's all make some money. Okay, we're still running blue there. Justin, what's my favorite pairs and the ones you make the most, I may ask? Okay, my favorite pairs when it comes to currencies, definitely Euro USD, definitely oil, definitely gold, definitely GBP USD. My 4 favorite pairs. When it comes to synthetic indices, all the crash pairs, all the boom pairs, range break, those are my babies. The most money I've made on my trading journey was with synthetics, basically. So synthetics is where I made my first 100,000 in 1 month, actually. So yeah, I wouldn't say I have a favorite pairs. I'm only loyal to one person, that's Michaela. When it comes to these charts, bro, yeah, I wouldn't want to say it's not. There's no proper word I can use. They'll just all sound rude. Ek is 'n loslappie as dit kom by die and it comes to these charts. Exactly, see, onto CEO. Exactly. There's no need for us to basically, like, you know, what I always find weird is why hate on people, man? Why hate on people? Why hate on people? Have you ever thought about it this way? Or not even let me put it this way. So if you study philosophy, one of the thinky. What do you mean, Ed? Ed, you know that you're a G, bro. You know that you're a G. And also, actually, Ed, I should give credit to you. Ed actually messaged me, guys. And he's like, Jevon, let's have a chat about Faro markets. And it's like, I could see some things where you can improve here and there. And that's not something I usually do from people. I don't usually take people's advice. But then basically Ed basically told me what to do. Just give me 1 second quickly, guys. So like I was saying, so Ed basically gave me that advice, and I was like, yo, let me do it. And by just listening to him, it gave me a new perspective on what I should actually do, and I did it. So yeah, I can't take that away from Ed either. So Ed, much love, my bro, much love. So Justin says, well done, May. Yes, I always was with USD, made a lot, but recently been doing gold, USD, and now it's time to go back to the derivatives and things. Okay, I do understand what you mean by that. The Riv site is a bit different. So the account you want to open on the Riv basically is the derived account. Yo guys, I'm talking as if I work for these people. I'm not affiliated with these people at all. Just where I make my money the best and the easiest. But yeah, hopefully Volt releases some synthetics. So but initially you must open the MT5 derived account. That's basically how you should open your synthetic account. Derived MT5 account, and then basically your cashier is where you go to your deposit and withdrawals. Basically the Riv site is like a casino. Sorry to say it that way, but their wording is like a casino, so it's the best way I can act. If you ever gambled online, you should not use the Riv. Chad, we in and out of the so Nathan says we in and out of the market, we don't look back. Exactly. Just reset my Riv account. Hope you're all streaming on weekends. Oh my bro, we definitely gonna be streaming on weekends. You guys should be here tomorrow morning. Don't party too heavy tonight, because you don't want to be sitting on the stream tomorrow with a hangover. You guys want to be fresh, okay? You can tell it's all love from even in the office. The environment created in the office literally breeds success. Very, very true, Chad. And what people don't understand also is, this is something I had to learn the hard way. I've never actually had an environment like that, especially with my trading journey. So then there were times, here's a good example. So I used to come late to the office, né? I was really bad at my time, because the thing is, like, I haven't worked a job in so long, and now suddenly I must come to work at 8 in the morning, and all these things. And Chris said to me that, no, but Jevon, you have to take responsibility, it's your life. And I was like, don't tell me I must take responsibility. And then the more he said it to me, I was like, Jevon, why are you feeling attacked? And it's true. I have to take responsibility. I can't always blame the Uber, I can't always blame this and that. If I know that I'm late, wake up earlier, get down earlier, and I feel like most people lose friends, mentors and things like that, because they don't want to hear the truth. Now here's the thing also, not everyone who is your so-called friend is your friend, because the thing is, I believe a true friend will tell you when you're basically fucking up. And it's hard for us to hear that, and people, you're jealous, I want to hear from you, But that's the thing, if I didn't care, for instance, here's a good example, if Chris didn't care about me, he would have just let me do my own thing, and let me flop and just watch me. But he had to give like what's the word? Not tough love, positive criticism, basically. And yeah, basically from there, like, I had to learn the hard way. So also from, like, this is why I say, guys, who you surround yourself with really plays so much of a role. So cherish the people around you, especially like if you're in a position like myself, where you have someone like Chris or Keegan, Kate, Mo, like Ike around you. Don't take it for granted, guys. Don't take it for granted. You ended up opening 3 accounts, but you got hang of it. All good. Nah, it is all good, man. All good. I know you're just playing. You a gentle giant. But yeah, bro, I'm taking your advice and I must always thank you. Which is better, Jeff, the zeros for the standard account? So there's only one type of account with the rev for the synthetics, that's the derived account. So there's only one account with the conditions, so like there's no zero spread for the synthetics or like anything like that. It's only one type of account, is the derived account. Hope that makes sense. Hey Alco man, all good, really appreciate it, really appreciate it. Please leave a like, subscribe, share share with the people there in Bloem in Allowell North. So when we go back to Allowell North, we basically maak die ding ruk. Constructive criticism. Wait, Brett. Am I confusing myself now? Yeah, right, I must read that. Positive criticism, constructive criticism. Hey guys, we're getting there. 711 subs. 711 subs. Now we're getting there, guys. I really appreciate it. Yo, I know I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Ryan, welcome my man. Hope you're doing good. Hola Chad and Jeff, we need more of live streams because the community is so huge and traders like me are not part of many groups. Bro, this is why we started this, like you know, because we're doing this for the community. The only way we will outsource or we will eliminate all the scammers is to do something they can't do. None of them can trade live. Like I actually spoke to the office in Crystal about this, and I was like, I can't imagine like people like Joe Ashnaidu there, man. You take so many losses in front of people, and you come back like nothing happened, man. If now honestly guys, if I wasn't profitable, I wouldn't be streaming live. I wouldn't embarrass myself like that. Yo. I learned this the hard way this week. Overtrade, ended up losing all my profit this week. Didn't make or lose, but today made a good buy. Made a good buy trade on gold. Not gonna make these mistakes again. You can only live and you learn, bro. Like here's also the thing about trading. You can have a mentor, you can have someone like myself, the 2Gs, Miles and so forth. We can share all this knowledge with you. But there's something within your subconscious mind which must click in order for you not to do certain things. Like I say, the best teacher in life is your own experience. So Ed, just check. I'm very sure. So I know there's different account types, but the account says derived MT5. Let me show you. Let me do this. So basically, see here it is, derived thingy. So deriv MT5. So you basically come on this one, and then derived this one. You see there's a financial and a swap free. So these are three accounts to have. This is the one you want to go for. That's the one you want to go for. I want to see boom spike a bit more before we look to execute there. See why I said I don't like the way price moved? You have to be highly selective, guys. Highly selective. Okay guys, maybe there's something different, because I remember also when I was a client with him, it was still called synthetic accounts. Then I got a new account, was called derived accounts, né? So maybe guys, the only thing to do is open different accounts and then see under your instruments which one has a synthetics. So only advice I have to. I ended up funded a standard and a zero spirit one. Guys, just check under your quotes, under your instruments, for the synthetics. It must be there, guys. Like it must be there. Trust me. Hey Chad, Chad Finter. I won't lie, it's crazy how people can keep repeating the same nonsense and still works out for them. It's the world we live in, bro. Evil always comes out on top. The sad reality. The drop on Dow Jones before the open. Let's see what Dow Jones did before the open. Hi G, if you're calling him a scammer, I'll go to gym now. I'll see you in P. Oh, Kaylin, bro. You know, actually, that guy, who I had an altercation with, Suhail, we're actually good friends now. I'm actually gonna make him a wrench as well. Yeah, Brady, that is weird. It says, I feel like I'm scamming myself. Can't catch a win streak to save my life lately. Circling the drain painfully slowly. Ed, come to the synthetics. Play on a demo this weekend and see the potential of what can happen here. Arco, yes, the setup is good. I'm playing Fortnite. Last night I played with Jay Froneman, and we played good, bro. We played good. He carried me the whole game. I don't know, guys. For some reason, I don't know why. It's like it's so hard for me to kill someone on Fortnite. So, also, guys, if there's anyone here who plays Fortnite, let me know. Let's do something this weekend. Battle Royale. Let's hook up like a trio or squad. Let's make something happen. I think the change at some point is different with the mobile app. Wait, guys. Most of them have the synthetics. I think the one doesn't have the financial one. That's weird, guys. I only have synthetics on my account, the account that I'm using. If I go to my, no, I'm wrong. No, I see now, guys. Tommy says the same. Sorry, I'm the idiot here. You can see I don't work for these people. No, but sorry, guys. I see that there actually is stuff here, forex, stocks. So basically, I have a account. The account you log in basically must be volatility, step, DEX, basket, derived, crypto, energies, equities Europe, ETFs, major, minor, metals, stock indices, and multi-step indices. Multi-step. There's multi-step. You see? There's multi. There's two more steps. Keegan, 0 builds or builds. Bro, I've never built anything on Fortnite. I ran for my life, bro. But last night we played 0 build. Some people I know don't like build. I know some people like building. To me, bro, as long as I can pick up a gun, I'm good. Okay, Lucrecio Makama, DM me on Instagram. Actually, guys, a quick one. Those of you guys who need mentorship, right? I'm gonna drop my phone number in the chat. Message me on WhatsApp. Let's get in touch. And also, if you also wanna hit me up for Fortnite, also message me on WhatsApp, and then we can make a plan this weekend. So my number is there in the chat. Once again, I'm gonna sound like a broken record. Let's like the stream. Let's share it. Let's subscribe if you haven't already done so. It will really mean the world to me. Let's get it. Okay, let's see. So Brett says, okay, most of them have synthetics. Okay, so Brett, Brett, did you come right? Do you have your account with the synthetics now already? So someone says, stock says, I'm under the standard BVI account, standard account. Okay, so I think you guys should be good. I think you guys should now know what to do. Ed, Brett, the other guys, you guys managed to figure it out with the accounts. Hey, 0 builds not the one. Keegan, if you want to build, my friend, we can build. It's not a problem with me. Okay, let's quickly see. Someone said something about US30. Yeah. What did Nasdaq do? Oh, that US30. So Nasdaq. Okay, it's holding that level. So I think they're gonna see this as liquidity over here because the R2 is a bit extended today. So I think that's the zone. So the same thing we looked for yesterday. It's just right now the opposite. So sell side liquidity taken out. The only concern is I don't like how this candle opened because now you have all of that to basically go full. Just want to check what's happening here. Okay, guys, I am going break even here on my trade. Second trade called on the stream. 100% win rate so far. Bam. So let's keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Boom is also there in my zone. It's not in the session yet, so I'm not gonna take it as yet. Or actually, hey, I shouldn't contemplate like this. I think I'll wait a bit more, purely for the fact that this is at least what the 1 hour looks like. Okay, no. I want to see them take out that high. So I want to see this happen before I take anything else on boom. I want to see them tap into this level with this fair value gap over here. So technically I want to see a liquidity sweep. So technically this is that double top. So I want to see price do this, break into that level, come back below that level, give me a spike, and then I'll look to enter from there. Guys, let's get some W's there in the chat. Get some W's there in the chat. Let's get it. Beautiful. Okay, sorry, just guys. You guys must know the vibes. Content. Have to put out the story. Real-time updates. Real-time results. I feel like there's a lot of us who's been doing this for so long. A lot of the guys who's been following us would know that we've always been having this, like, we've always had this thing where we basically, whenever I take a trade, I share the results. So that if you go back and go see what happened to that trade, you can see if I just stop at the break even, whatever the case. But massive there, guys, massive. I want to say something now. Oh yeah, I want to ask you guys, is there still music playing in the background? I just want to double check that. Is there still music playing in the background? Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Let's see if we can get this as a runner. Let's see if this will run all the way. See what Nasdaq did. Price actually had quite some movement today. Yo, actually had some nice stuff here on NAS today. Nice sales coming through there above the Asian highs. It's gold doing. Yeah. Ed, have you noticed this? We trade very similar. Have you noticed this on our pairs when we trade sometimes? How, for instance, we have the supply zone, right? And then price comes into it, we have the reaction, and then price breaks above, and then we have the sweep. Have you noticed that? How often that happens recently? Oh, how? Yeah. I think you know what I'm trying to say. Come on, boom. Come on, boom. Very soft jig. Okay, okay, okay. Give us a louder one there. You mean louder music? Must I put the music louder? Okay, let's see. So Ed, the TP on this trade, most likely I would want to see it go all the way up till there, but I am more than willing to take a break even and look for a re-entry. Because the thing is, I traded this so long. Sometimes when this thing drops and moves, there's no returning. So when you miss it, you miss it. So I would rather take a break even than really miss out the move. Let me show you guys something quickly. If we go to crash, okay, step is, we can go away from step for now. Oh no, let's not go away. Let's do this quickly. Let me show you guys crash 300. This is something that I would have liked to get in, but I missed it. So check here. Look at this. Lower low made, change of character. Here's that demand zone. Now imagine, guys. Yeah. Imagine you're into this. 25 up stop. And you just target that high up there. Risk reward. And the thing is, this thing ran, man. This thing ran. This is why I say, like, if you can get in on a trade like this, it's a goner. It's a goner. Okay, I'll turn it up in the middle. This is why I'm circling down the drain. I've lost count many times. I've been wicked out on a trade, then with my direction. I've been noticing something there, Ed. I've been noticing something there, but you will see when I drop the new course. You've obviously been going through the new course, Ed. I've obviously blessed you with it. We're still in the process of getting to that section of actually taking entries. You guys, you have seen, you are a witness here of how much information I'm giving on the course and so forth. So yeah. Justin, yeah, bro, I trade full time. Been doing it since 2020. Since 2020, I've been full time. I don't know. So a quick one there on the Riv. When you are trading and you wanna make a withdrawal, please make sure that you not withdraw on a weekend. If you wanna, so you can get the withdrawal the same day if you keep it take after 6 o'clock, but then you must withdraw like in the morning, and your process and your thingy must be confirmed before 11-12 in the morning. So when I withdraw from the Riv, I always make sure that I withdraw around 6 a.m. in the morning, then it's approved before 12, and I know I have the money basically by 6 the evening. If you use FNB, you will get the money after 11, maybe 12, But if you withdraw on a Sunday or a Saturday, you will wait the whole week for your money. You will only gonna get your money that next Friday, basically. Let me know if there is some volume that is improved on your side. Let me know if there is some volume which has improved on your side. One delay, yes, they move on a weekend. They move 24/7. You use Capitec. Yeah, so I don't know. Capitec will be your best bet. You'll get the money sooner than other banks. It's the only thing about trading, waiting for that profit. Yeah. What did I do with that thing? I would say it loud, but I didn't even check the inside. I'm gonna have some more drink also.
House music. What is house music? Those people in the studio want to give me 5 minutes to explain house music. 5 minutes, shit. It even took God 7 days to make heaven and earth. Don't explain house music. You won't explain house music. You can't explain house music. Good house music. Sweat house music. Fire house music. God house music. You smile. That's house music. 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes. You got a lifetime to listen, to feel. That's house music. House music.
Oh, don't forget your phone, eh?
Collection of songs.
Guys, just give me 1 second quickly, eh? I'm just gonna walk Tommy out quickly. I have to go open for him. So yeah. Yeah, Tommy will soon also be sharing a signal with you guys here on the stream. But yeah, guys, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. In the meanwhile, you guys can enjoy this profits.
So I want you to check this out. As one, my brothers and sisters.
So guys, just be patient, eh? I stay very far away from the gate, so.
I'm pretty shocked. Because that is house music. Let it flow through your veins. Let it talk to your mind. Let it talk to your body. Let it talk to your soul. Let it make you whole. Deep inside, it will pick you up when you're feeling down. It will make you cry, shake you on a ride. It will make you frown. It will lift you up. It will lift you out. It will let you out. Depression breeds aggression, breeds deception, breeds expression. Expression is the essence of our mission. Can I get a witness, miss? House music is a survivor, a soul messenger, a hit suppressor, a truth processor. Can I get a witness? From the motherland, from the shores of Miami to the shores of LA, from the streets of Chicago to the streets of New York, and so on. Our sound is still alive and strong, and so on, so on, so on. The sound of our ancestors will carry on. so on, so on, so on. Did still and will carry on, so on, so on, so on. Because the music is our speaking soul. And house is beautiful. I said, house is beautiful. My brothers and sisters. House is beautiful.
Stop us. Sorry about that, guys. Just have to deal with some stuff now outside. I don't know. It's just weird. It's either the kids that stay in the complex, or it's stolen stuff, and I don't want any part of that. I'll be right back once again. Give me a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm back now. I am back now. Let's see what anything I missed here. Let's see. Yeah, come on, guys. Let's hit the like button. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 100 on the stream, because yeah, second day, second banger called for you guys. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Boom, no movement there as yet. So we are still patiently waiting. Sorry guys, I'm just helping Michaela quickly. Just don't want to go move one more thing. So just give me 1-2 minutes max. Sorry, almost done. One more thing forgot. Okay, guys, sorry about that. You guys know the vibes when you have responsibilities. You guys know the vibes. I want to open a window here, but the only concern is always such a noise. Okay, let's see something quickly. Now that I have some more time on my hands, basically, let's see if I can get some extra music out here. Okay, let's see. We are making some progress here. We're making some progress. Okay, let's see. I don't know how to do it. I'm fighting here. Robert, it depends on the account size for the lot size. So it depends. Currently on this position, because I was willing to put another position down here, I only went in with 0.30 lots. So it's technically like a 0.03 on the rev. And as mentioned, I'm still in the process of growing a small account before actually making a withdrawal. So still patiently waiting on that. Let's see something real quick. Yeah, Slash bro, we catching these trades. I also did some chores now while you were away, yelping quickly. Hey. There we go. So yeah guys, that is a 2 for 2 on our stream so far. There's a reason why I love these pairs, my babies. Boom, we're still gonna wait you on Boom. We could have taken that trade, but nope. Oh, this is gonna be like yesterday where we say, no, we're not gonna take this one, yeah, and then it runs 100 pips. Like this one over here. This thing ran from that point till this point. This thing ran 200 pips since yesterday. 200 pips from that level to this point. So if you traded the smallest lot size possible on the Riv and you took this trade all the way down till here, with the smallest lot size possible, if you put in the $10 account, your account would now be in $50 if you took your profit there. So you would have quadrupled your account, no? More than quadrupled your account. What comes after quadruple? Thanks Nazim, appreciate it. Stansburg, Jev, W, lovely man, lovely stuff. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. The thing is also same as yesterday. Trades we took at zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. You're feeling lucky when you play some aviator. We can play aviator if you want to. The only difference, the only thing is, if we do play aviator, we're gonna play with a bonus account, so we're not gonna put my real money into something like that. I actually, when was it? I think 2 weeks ago. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but I get a lot of like deals and stuff like that from companies who want me to test their services, stuff like that. And then they gave me a 120 last week to play aviator. And I'm like, and then basically I have this thought in my head which Chris said, I maak like a 10 rand sweat. So I'm like, 120 must maak like 20 rand sweat. So technically there's only 7 bullets on the account then. And I played, we made 50 rand within a few minutes. Yay! You guys must know aviator. After that there's no more money left. But nah, that's why I'm like, I would never play aviator with my own money. I'd rather have someone maybe deposit some funds for me and then we can make it happen. Ryan, Nas jumped straight to the moon. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Whew. Naughty, naughty. Heading to us at only marked out. See what is he doing? Nice rejection from that point, but I think we might actually see a continuation coming if price doesn't break below this level. What's oil doing? Interesting, making higher highs. Making the higher highs. I haven't looked at this pairs in so long. Yeah, look at my forex charts compared to my derivative charts. So clean. Step in this demand over here, but I'm not gonna take it. Don't trust it. Don't trust it. Let's see in the 5 minute. So break. So technically this is supposed to be supply. So let's wait and see. Here, Ed, you took a 30 rand to 800 rand on aviator. Bro, if I had 30 rand playing aviator and I make it 250, I walk away. Justin, what's the best deposit amount for the riv in my opinion? With 100, sorry, with 1000 rand do it or so? Bro, that is more than enough. I deposit 200 rand in the riv and I start making miracles. So Robert, what moves synthetics? So basically the riv is the market maker, and the same as any market is driven by inducement. So meaning there's a reason why we press buy or sell. So that they move the market, they have the liquidity. Their client base is so big that, I mean, look what we're doing. I'm trading synthetics. I'm only trading synthetics. So so they have the client base for it. They have the liquidity for it. They've been doing this for almost 20 years now. So literally, they move the market. They have the supply. They have the demand. Literally, it's based on I would say like a algorithmic, mathematical, and a supply and demand type of function. So yeah, now we're patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. It was beginner's luck. Tried again on the next day, 35 and to 1,000 and cashed out. Just in. Are you gonna release a course called the Aviator, the Aviator Method? AVT concepts. AVT concepts. I just want to grab me something to drink real quick. Be right back. You know, Robert, I saw your comment now the inside, and I was just laughing, man. I'm gonna have big arms for this chair. My sister took 500 rand to 20k once, hasn't been able to even come close to doing it again. That you went big at the beginning, but you withdraw before you take your house. Bro, sounds like a typical casino to me. Okay, guys, I have a quick question, okay? Quick question. Please bear with me now here quickly. I might be able to get away where we can listen to the same song at once. But first confirm with me quickly. Could you confirm with me? If the music stopped, no? The music stopped. Can you confirm if the music stopped? See ya, Breezy. Hey man, welcome. Thank you for joining. First, I'm seeing you here, if I'm not mistaken. Please like and subscribe. Share with your fellow traders, friends, family. Let's grow my channel. Let's grow this family. And let's see if we can find another setup. Chad, can I show my analysis for this trade? Yeah, sure, of course. So I am bullish on the pair. So we can see price basically held this range. So price made this low over here. Shifted character. Price forming this low. making a higher high, pulling back, forming a higher low, making a higher high. This level came back to this point, making a lower low, and that's why I got concerned, like, is crash gonna turn around now? But initially we had the supply zone, this demand zone over here, which is not mitigated yet. So only here basically price mitigated it, and then I came back to this low over here, and I was like, if price breaks below this low, then obviously we're gonna go bearish. Then you can see price pulled back into this level, so obviously internally now we have new structure, with that being the dealing range high, this being the dealing range low. Then basically price held this level since 25th up until the 27th, and yesterday only we had price break above this level. That's now said, finally. So now we can start waiting for that. So actually yesterday on the stream we discussed this. So Asian box, price left this low, double bottom with the unmitigated demand zone. So yesterday we wanted to actually buy from this level already, but then price obviously left, making that level. Price came back here this morning, tapping into that level, holding it, changing character, new lower low, and left us with this demand zone over here. Now I told the guys this comes with experience trading these pairs. There was 2 demand zones left at this level basically. So I went in with half my initial risk at this position, with the idea that if price does put me into drawdown on this trade basically, I will still enter here as well, adding the other 50% of that position, and then basically just getting a bigger ROI on it. So by the time I get back to entry, I've made up for the drawdown, and all of this extra drawdown, all of this over here just becomes extra profit for my account basically. But you can go back on the stream later on and check it out in detail. But yeah, none of it is taken randomly. Oh, Hercules, nice man. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share the link with your fellow brothers and sisters, fellow traders. Let's grow my channel. The goal is to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So I would really appreciate it if we can get to 1,000 subs ASAP, and then I will be doing some giveaways. Don't worry, now that you're here, we will definitely work on that for the synthetics. Guys, could you confirm with me, did the music stop? Is there no music in the background? Everything stopped, right? There's no music playing. Could you confirm with me? Okay, no music. Okay. Let's quickly see if I can get the music playing. Okay, there's still something wrong here. Just give me a second. I'll wait for this to load a bit. Okay, we'll get the music back up in a sec. Ed, regarding your question there, will I start trading my stop loss from here very soon? I just want to see price basically break above this level over here. Just want to see a slight break above that level, because we are still, actually, let me just see how many pips we are. Actually, I think we're up more than 1 to 1, so I think we actually can. So I think I can actually move stop a bit. Only concern is it's so high. Maybe 5 pips. Maybe 5 pips. Okay, stop is in profit. Let me try this again quickly with the music. Okay, I'll just play the old music for now, and then once I have this, it just has to pick up on my side, and we can take it further. Robert, yes, definitely I'm a TP guy. Definitely I'm a TP guy, but I do definitely take partials along the way. So for instance, on this position, depending on maybe when we cross this level here, I'll take some partials. When we cross here, I'll take some partials. But initially on these pairs, what I target is this nice little 100 pips, 50 pips, 50 to 100 pips, and I'm good. 50 pips in the smallest lot size possible on these pairs is a 200 rand. So to me, that's more than fair enough. This is really odd, man. Jordan, hey man, thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. Miles also here. Lovely man, lovely guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it, Miles, and thank you for the call yesterday. I honestly didn't think you're gonna tap in, Miles. But the fact that you did, it really means a lot to me. For those who don't know, um, Miles used to drive a nice little VW, and I wasn't profitable yet. And I used to see Miles driving around, and I was like, yo, I want to be like that guy. And now we did something shoulder to shoulder, the trading combine, and yeah, man, it's just amazing, man, guys. So Miles, thank you very much for the support, man. Appreciate it. Jordan, Rickes coming through, Charles, it really means a lot. So Robin says, never trade synthetics, but looks much more interesting, not as volatile. Am I correct? So the thing, Robert, it's all about the pair you trade, and some of them are very volatile. Like for instance, like Boom 300 and Boom 300 and Crash 300. They much more volatile than the others. So for instance, if you look at, for instance, let's turn the 15-minute real quick. But if you look at this move on the 15-minute, from that high to this low, that is basically 94 pips on Boom 300. So you see with another Boom. If you look at more or less the same size of how much these pips move, you would see that that is only 74 pips. So each of them are very unique, But for instance, when you get to step, there is certain requirements on your lot size. So the smallest lot size you can use is a 0.10, and literally, let's say you enter exactly at 1820, and your stop loss is 21. Literally, from 20 till 2020, from 8020 till 821, that is $1. That will equal $1. Whereas on other pairs, that might equal some cents, you know. So I always recommend play on a demo account first, and then like literally go on a demo account, place the smallest lot size on each position, on each pair, and see based on that lot size how many pips it moves for to equal $1. Then you can more or less have an idea of like how much a pip is worth. You know, that's how I did it. That's the only way I had learned to manage my risk, was through trading a demo account basically. Oh, love guy, thank you Miles, appreciate it, man. Okay, let's try this again with the music and see if it works. So still nothing. Okay guys, we're gonna try this again quickly, okay? We're gonna try this again quickly. Because I am sharing a window. Let me know quickly guys. I'm actually an idiot. I can check myself. I don't know. Ah, there we go guys, there we go. Finally have some music coming in here. Let's just quickly see if I confirm. Here we go. Now we're finally listening to the same song. Okay, let me know guys if it's too loud. Let me know if it's too loud. Okay, so nice little pullback here. So I want to see this happen. So I want to see it pull back a bit. I want to see some sort of spike down. so that, because the thing is, you have to embrace the drawdown. I want to see a spike up and then spike down and continue. So here's the only thing about this. We've waited how long for this now? We've waited an hour and 40 minutes. Ne? One candle can take away half that wait. Then we have to wait again. But that is just the pullbacks. And this is the unique thing about trading these pairs as well. So, yeah. Grenzen. What do you mean? Oh, I see what you mean. Let's see if we can fix up there. That's very weird. Oh, damn. No, never mind. Okay, I think okay, I think it should be okay now. But yeah, guys, is there anything else specific you guys want me to look at? Obviously, we didn't take that. That was just an example. So that was a beautiful flip here, actually. So I still expect price to continue pushing down. There's music playing in the background. Reminds me of those days when I was in the tavern. Yeah. It's so hectic. We spoke about it the other day in the office, how music can trigger memories. There's nothing else for me that I'm looking at specifically. Steep. Hard to say what's gonna happen. Yeah, don't trust it. I really don't trust it. Yeah, Nia young, memories young. Oh, Bradley, welcome, my brother. Welcome. Please like and subscribe if you have not done yet. So, Robert, out for the day. Not a good work for me, Charles. All good, Robert. We'll see you tomorrow. I'll also see you guys how long we still run the stream. We have been live for 2.5 hours. I know me and Michaela still have to go do a few things. Just don't know how his schedule's looking as yet. But we're eating over here. We're eating. In fact, actually, if we can get to this level around, if price is around here 6 o'clock, I'm gonna take my profit, and then I'm gonna wait for price to pull back again. Also still waiting for crash over here. It's been falling very slowly. Now remember, crash moves up slowly and you have spikes, so you can imagine how the bulls and bears are fighting over here at this level, targeting this low. So I want to see the sell side liquidity be taken out. I want to see this candle with no bottom wick be taken out before looking for longs. And if you look at what crash is doing, doesn't this look familiar? It's not the exact same pattern, but the same ideology of those lows, basically liquidity, and comparing it to this over here yesterday. So I want to see the exact same thing happen, taking out these lows and this level before looking for those longs. Christo, I still trade gold. I haven't traded gold this week in a long time actually. Like I said, mainly focus on the synthetics now. Hey, 1 sec, hey chat. 1 sec. So guys, don't feel forced. It's Friday, so I know some of you guys do want to go out. Don't feel forced to stay. But I also want to ask you guys, what's your plans for the weekend? What are you guys going to do this weekend? I'm gonna meet some friends and go bowling tonight. That's nice. That's nice. It's Friday today, so I'll be watching some Power, new episode. I think we should also have a new episode of The Boys, if I'm not mistaken. Work, unfortunately. No, don't say unfortunately. I do get what you mean, but be grateful that you do have a job though, eh? GBP USD, I'm not really looking at it, but nice little drop there. Lower lows may change of character. Double bottom. You could have a reaction inside of this zone over here, but I haven't been looking at these pairs, so I don't know. Just looking at what price is doing. You should have a pullback coming in here, but initially looks like ultimately the bias is bearish. Let's see what DXY is doing. So I would say your bias would be bearish because DXY Asian high is untested. So I would want to see DXY do this, which would lead GU to basically potentially do this. There's a nice fair value gap in that zone. I'd say something like this on GU. One dealer's plans for the weekend to trade synthetics. So me and you, same WhatsApp group. We have to make money. We have bills to pay. Curtis, just chilling at home, missing the fam in Queenstown. Bro, do you know how much I want to go to Elwell North, man, to go visit my family. So the feeling is mutual, bro. Feeling is mutual. Be right back. Okay, let's see if you can maybe squeeze in one more setup before we leave here. Okay, so that is crash. Still waiting for the other crash to trade back down. Guys, boom's coming to that level. Boom is coming to that level. Let's just wait for boom to boom a bit more. About to hit the record here on the stream. I'm gonna go for 3 hours. We've been live for 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I think once we hit the 3-hour mark, I'm gonna call it there. And then I will be heading to the shops with in profit with GBP USD entry 26. Oh, nice. Okay. So basically, Asian lows more or less you got in. Not bad. Nice. It's a nice entry. It's a nice entry. See ya. Just don't be greedy, eh? Don't be greedy. Let's see you. Oh, that was nice confidence. Asian lows. The quarter point institutional level of 126.250, 2022 Q2 open. So good, beautiful, man. One delay in recommendations for times and sessions to trade synthetics. The same rules I follow for currencies, the same rules I follow for synthetics, because the river is the market maker. And people have the same ideology of how they go about their positioning. Mr. Clan there. Jeff, how do you manage your crash 1000? Where do you take off or move stop loss? So it's a simple rule. I use pips to count it basically. So I wanted to see this, like I said earlier, I want to see price spike down. But initially I used in 20s. So if my stop loss, so remember my stop loss was 20 pips when we started off this trade, né? My stop loss was 20 pips. So now we've moved up more than 20 pips. So that way I went break even. So then we went basically like up 1 to 1.5. More or less. So that was more or less that level. And from there I moved my stop 5 pips into profit. So now basically it gives me a breathing, oh shit. Now basically gives me some breathing room, because now the range between that is only 24 pips. So that means from that level down, I don't want to see it spike more than 20 pips. So literally up until that point. I want to see it, I would not mind to see it come back that far. And then literally depending on my risk reward. So that is 1 to 2. And then more or less that over there would be there's a 1.5. So initially if we're over here and price is just hovering here by 6 o'clock, then I will take it off. But if we can break through this level before 6, which is I think unlikely, then obviously I will still hold it. But also the fact that this is happening, like I said, now that move for 6, that pullback, I still expect it to happen over here, then I would be more than happy to hold it overnight. But it just comes with experience, guys. It comes with experience. You're welcome, my man. You're welcome. Yeah, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, share the link. Yeah, and slash you might as well go for United 8. But yeah, I am thinking about cutting it, to be honest. I also just want to cut it here. Jason, I'm good, man. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. But I will say maybe 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, then we can cut it. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Today was awesome. I really appreciate it. We gained we gained quite a few subscribers. So I'm really thankful for that. Maybe before we end the stream off, maybe we can maybe play something as a weekend banger. Let me really think of what's a good banger to play now for the weekend. Okay, would you guys mind if we close the stream off listening to an Afrikaans song by Cream Machine to support one of our brazas from Cape Town? Okay, we had a spike again. Nice, come on. Give us that last little prompt in your app. Ooh, I actually forgot about something. Here we have it, guys. Boom. I'm also gonna take boom before we end this off here. 25 up stop. Boom 1000. The moment we can see price just close below this level over here, I'll start managing my risk. So guys, actually I'm gonna end the stream here for now. It's been almost 3 hours of streaming. Almost 3 hours of streaming. I'm really exhausted. So man, let's push it. Let's push it. Let's push it for 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. Let's get that 3-hour mark on YouTube. Let's make that 3-hour live mark. This is half-assed. We're almost there. Just a quick reminder there before we end off the stream. Just a quick reminder. If you need mentorship, message me on WhatsApp. The number is in the chat. Let's set up a call, discuss your trading goals, see if we can help you. Take it from there. And then please like. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. And also just an update tomorrow. I will be going live tomorrow morning as well to do an update on our trades. Just to see how they're doing. We'll see how long tomorrow's session will be in the morning. It all depends on what I have to do in the morning in case I need to go help Christine with the office move. Yeah, so we'll see. But then also potentially tomorrow afternoon maybe as well. But I know Sunday is off the cards because we're gonna do some family braai a bit. Yeah, so it might take like half an hour for it to get to our break-even point. So I will send you guys an update in Discord. In Discord, at 5:30ish. And if you have not joined our Discord server, you can find a link in the chat as well. But Other than that, guys, is amper tijd. 2 more minutes left before we end the stream off. 2 more minutes. Hey Jadian, you sexy thing. Hope you're doing good. We're about to end the stream right here in 1 minute, so you literally came just in time. Alright, Chad. It's all good, Jadian. It's all good, my friend. There's no stress. Got you, Slushy. I will definitely update you guys every single time when I go live. WhatsApp status, Discord server, Instagram, Telegram channel. Definitely, guys. I love being here. It's been quite the experience. 3-hour mark hit. And once again, guys, super grateful for each and every one of you who've been joining. All our new subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate it. All the likes, it really means the world to me. We actually broke some milestones here today. 74 likes yesterday with 70 likes. I don't know how many views we have, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna break that as well. So guys, I'm very excited for the future of what's gonna happen on this channel. I can't wait till we reach 1,000 subscribers. There's so many things I've planned for you guys, so many things I want to do for you guys. But also, obviously, it has to be efficient, you know. But in the end, even though streams are free, I mean, there's still costs involved on my end, you know. So much love, guys. I really appreciate you. You guys must have a beautiful Friday evening. Have a blessed weekend. If you guys are not gonna tap in for tomorrow and Sunday. But other than that, like I said, keep an eye on my stories, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much love, Chad. Much love.